everyone, welcome back again on the channel. If this is your first time being here, my name is Bukola and you're here, allow me to please beg you to click on the subscribe button and as well give this video a thumbs up. This is really going to help my algorithm. Before you all start watching this video, kindly help me, please click on the thumbs up so that this video will be recommended to other people as well. Guys, recently I've been talking about affordable product that you can get. I did a review on a scrub, I did on a face cream, and some of you under the body scrub, the Kerbu Ashanti / the malic acid that I did, a lot of you asked question about a face scrub, and I promised you guys I was going to get you guys a face scrub, and I got this face scrub even when I was not looking. The very first time I kind of like reviewed this face scrub, I think we were at 15,000 subscribers. That was September 2020. No, that was August 2020. I remember very well. My very first talk and video that I made about this particular scrub was in Abuja, so that was August 2020. So this particular scrub, I went to the supermarket to get something and I saw it and I'm like, yo, there might be a lot of people that don't know about this scrub and don't know how good it is and how cheap and effective it is. This is a scrub under 1,500 naira. Let's just say 1.5 because it's around 1,004 something, and it is very, very effective. Before I continue to talk about this scrub, this is the scrub that I'm talking about. I know the OGs on this channel know this particular scrub. This is the Hibiskus natural hot and coffee scrub. If you are good with handmade products, you can do it yourself, but this particular brand contains a lot of goodies in it. The ingredients is top notch. This is not even a paid ad. This is me telling you guys and appreciating a good product that can work for you as well. So this product contains coffee grounds, powders of oats, rice powder, cinnamon, clove, orange peel, cornbread, baobab fruits, cocoa, brown sugar, glycerin, butters of shea and cocoa, oils of neem, coffee, jojoba, honey, cetia alcohol, extract of aloe vera, papaya, turmeric, sandalwood, cucumber, banana peel, and you guys, stearic acid, e-wax, ethanol, essential oils of cinnamon, star anise, coffee, and a fragrance. This particular product, I am coming to you guys with my own review. This review I'm giving you guys is from me, and that was the reason why I even bought it. It's something I've used before, and when I went back to ShopRite, I was unable to buy it, and I'm like, anyway I see this product, I am definitely buying again. I'm so used to chemical exfoliants now, but this particular one can still do the job for you. So for people who love a textured scrub, this is a face scrub that you can settle for. I got it for about 1,400 and something, a little bit closer to 1,005, so let's just say 1,005, and I got it at Just Right. So if you know you have Just Right around you, you can go check if you're going to see. If you have ShopRite around you, go check the skincare section. If you're going to see, you will see their face wash there as well. You see the scrub, you see the butters. Those are the ones that I saw. But make sure that for the face scrub, you guys, make sure you are getting the coffee and oat facial scrub. It is a sugar scrub, so it's very, very good for your face, and I will tell you guys how to use it. If you want to use this scrub on your face, make sure you put water on your palm and just scoop out a little, rub it together on your palm and add a little water on the palm and rub it together before you now start massaging it on your face. I have a video on it. If I'm able to get it how to use it, I will put the video, or maybe I shoot another one for a demonstration. And firstly guys, if you know you have hyperpigmentation on your face, this is the reason why I decided to talk about this particular scrub. If you have hyperpigmentation on your face, now we want to work with a soap and a facial scrub that is going to help you for hyperpigmentation, or maybe dark marks that maybe pimples has left on your face and you want to get rid of it. What you need alongside this scrub is the Kojisan soap. I know majority of you guys have heard about Kojisan soap. Please try to see if you can get the original. You can check Buy Better website, maybe they still have. They sell original Kojisan soap. You can even buy two for about, is it 1,007? I think they were doing promotion at some point, 1,007, or even one for 1,000 or 1,100. So that means you can get a product like this scrub and Kojisan as a complete face soap and as well scrub for around 2,007, 3,000 naira. So I think this is affordable, and that's the reason why I decided to talk about it. So if you want to use a Kojisan soap with this particular scrub, put this soap inside water and rub the soap on your face. first, massage the soap on your face first, then go in with the scrub, and make sure that the scrub, you add a little water to it, rub the scrub together on your palm before start rubbing it on your face gently. You know, it's a sugar scrub, it's not that smooth. So this is a way you can use these two scrub, and it's really going to help your face to get very smooth. You guys, I'm not going to lie to you, the ingredients in this scrub makes me love it. I had to pick one up. Like, I cannot just leave it and just go, because I've used it before and I can testify to the goodness of this particular scrub, and I'm like, no, I have to talk to you guys about it again. So I know there are some people that might not have seen it. Only the OGs on this channel can know about this particular scrub. So let's say you need a face soap and you need a face scrub as well, under 3,000 naira, that is affordable, that you can use, that is tested and trusted, that is safe as well. This as well help you with acne because of all of these ingredients in it: rice powder, orange peel, cinnamon. They help a lot with acne. They help to control acne as well, and they are handmade products. So make sure that if you need it, you go cop one. I know I talk about some products in the market that are not good, guys. When we see the good ones, let's give them all the accolade that they deserve. And this is one product that I've used that I love so much, that I really want you guys to get, just in case you're on the budget on what to use on your face. This is a very good option for you. Just 1,005, and the other soap 1,000 naira or 1,001. That's around 2006, 2007. Let's round it up to 3K. You have a soap and a scrub that can last you for about 2 months, if not over 2 months. So if you have used this scrub, I know I talk about it and I help some people to get it that time. Please, and you're watching this video, do me a favor, please drop it in the comment section, drop your reviews in the comment section, so that other people can know how good this scrub is. I decided to bring this to you guys notice, and I hope this is really going to help. Now you guys have a scrub that is affordable and under 2,000. So you guys know you can make a face cream as well, and now this is a scrub and a soap for your face that is affordable. I do this almost beginning of every year because I know everybody is setting goals, and there are some people who sell goals for their skin as well. Let's be considerate. Not everybody can buy expensive products, but there are some products around us as well that do wonders, and this is one of them. Okay, so you can definitely get this product. I have used it before. Love every bit of this scrub. So if you know you're interested, you can get it as well. This is going to make your face glow, I can bet it. It's going to make your face glow. Okay, it has so much good oils and powders that work together for the favor of your face. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Allow me to beg you again to please click on the subscribe button and turn your bell notification on as well, so that you get notified anytime I drop new videos. I will definitely talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.